Okay, pound Kiwi here, pound NZD. We got a few bearish days, and now it's found a little bit of support. I do think this has turned around, but we will see here on these lower time frames. So this is a main area now, 212.5. So I'm actually going to put this down here because now this is the price to break, 212.5. Clean these all up here, 212.5. So we need this area to break. Right now it's retesting some previous highs because it found support, so now it's pushing back up. Delete this for now. We got an area of resistance right here. This is on the 4-hour time frame. So we'll see if price respects this. Still got 2 hours, just over 2 hours, 2 hours and 20 minutes on this 4-hour candle. Let's see if that closes. And then if not, our next area you can see would be right here. So what happened is price came, let's see, price came down, tested, came up, couldn't break higher, came down, and then finally broke this area, retested it, and then you got a big bearish candle down. So if price breaks this level here, around 213.50, then might head up to here, and then we'll see right at like 214.50. Yeah, so these nice whole numbers price is respecting. You know, so you look for a short position. It's Friday, so I'm not probably going to take any trades, to be honest, especially not on this pair. Just don't feel it's necessary, but we'll see how this week closes. This is obviously a bearish week, but it's not engulfing, so I kind of wish it was, but we'll see how today closes. I mean, maybe if today has a massive sell-off and breaks below 212.5 here, then that'd be a whole different story. But as of right now, I'm just looking for, you know, I'd be waiting for something like this, waiting for price to break 212.5 and then entering a short position. But and this will most likely be next week's play. If price breaks 212.5, enter this and just kind of ride out the short as much as you can to end the week, or end the month, I guess. There's only 4 days left in the month after today, 4 trading days. So that'd be my position on pound Kiwi, but the only thing is you have to be really mindful because, I mean, it's still way above the 4-hour moving average, above the daily too, obviously, but this 1 hour it's not. So yeah, it's retesting this area. We'll see if it can break it, and then it's creating some support to the bottom here. So these are all areas that they're not as significant as this 212.5 area, but these would also, if you know, if price comes down here, breaks this area, that would also be a good sign for a short. But we're not going to take that. We're just going to wait for this big guy to break next week, and then maybe possibly today, but probably enter next week, and then take our position there. And maybe not, maybe it breaks this area and it heads up to this next one here, starts retesting all these highs up here. It could totally do that. There's a chance that if you look at the fib here, there's a good chance that it pulls right back up to this zone here between the 50% and the 618, which is exactly where this zone is. So there's a chance that this, yeah, pulls right back up. Doesn't mean that it's not going to continue downwards, but it just might have to come up first. So, but I do think this has come to an end. Hopefully, I'm ready to short this all the way down, make some money on the way down for the next 6 months, because that's usually how this trends. It's kind of like 6 months at a time, either up or down. So that's what I'm hoping for pound Kiwi here, and we'll keep you posted on this every few days and just see what it's doing. If it cracks this zone, I'm gonna enter a short, and then yeah, if you want to join my private WhatsApp group, I'll post it in my group right away as soon as I enter this trade, and then you guys can follow along on that if it's something you want to do. So that's pound Kiwi.